Welcome back, everyone, and happy Wednesday. We're almost halfway through the week now. In Great Falls, starting out a little bit warmer this morning at 47 degrees. You can't see it well on this camera view here, but it is the full moon right now, and if you haven't looked outside, it's pretty impressive if you can get a clear view of it. Here on this camera, you can kind of see it just over Mount Helena here. The clouds have moved in front of it. Looks kind of spooky. We're just a week away from Halloween, so that's kind of an eerie look out there right now. In the capital city, we're sitting at 36 degrees, so just about what it was yesterday morning, just the similar temperatures. And today we're going to see a similar afternoon to yesterday afternoon. Temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, 67 for the high in Great Falls and in Helena, 64 in Lewistown, and 68 in Havre. So not a bad afternoon today, but starting out a little bit chilly right now. At the moment, we've been pretty clear on the radar here for over a week. We haven't seen much in the way of new weather patterns moving into Montana, but at the moment you can see a little bit of moisture moving into the northwestern portion of the state. There's a little disturbance kind of moving in off the Pacific Ocean that is moving into the west coast, but we're not going to see any rain here in Great Falls or in Helena, but other areas of the state getting some rain after this dry spell and sunny spell that we've had. Not that I think many people were complaining about the nice weather that we've had. Zooming out to the entire country, though, you can see lots of rain spanning from Colorado all the way through Texas here along the border with Mexico, and our weather is starting to change. You can see it a little bit better on this image here. You can see this trough moving into the United States off the Pacific coast. That ridge has been over the United States, the western United States rather, for the last couple of days, the high pressure, and then low pressure is now moving in. That high pressure is kind of broken down and low pressure is coming in to replace it. So we are heading into kind of a more unsettled weather pattern here for the next couple of days. Also something to mention, this is Hurricane Willa, now Tropical Depression Willa, that hit landfall in western Mexico yesterday afternoon and has been kind of moving through overnight tonight. That's not really going to affect us here in Montana, but pretty strong storm down in Mexico as well. Now for the rest of our day here, we're going to see a little bit of that moisture move into southwestern Montana. It looks like on this image here it's going to rain in Helena, but that is only going to be in the higher elevations. It's just not zoomed in far enough that you can see down in the lower elevations. That'll be moving out fairly quickly as well, clearing out for this afternoon. Maybe a few clouds hanging on this afternoon and evening. Might be a nice evening for the sunset, but not much going on in terms of weather. Tomorrow, some more high elevation snow and showers for tomorrow, but it is going to be pretty quiet. It looked like earlier this week we were going to see some rain on Thursday, but you can see that's kind of holding off until Friday morning. So we're going to stay fairly dry until Friday, and you can see Friday these winds picking up off the Rocky Mountain front and this rain coming in from the northwestern part of the state. That's going to kind of move through north central Montana as the day goes on Friday. So we are going to have kind of a wet end to the week and into the weekend. Here's a 7-day forecast now. It is going to be kind of rainy out there Friday, Saturday. We're going to get a break on Sunday and then more on Monday. And heading into the middle of next week, next Wednesday is Halloween already, if you can believe that. It does kind of look like it might be a little wet out there for Halloween, but of course that is still a week away, so keeping you posted on that. It's going to be kind of a chilly day, it looks like right now, but as we move a little closer, we'll keep you posted on that.
It's going to be hard. I'm getting too used to just these nice days. The rain is going to be a little adjustment, but not too bad. All right, Katie, thank you.